G'day fellow moto vloggers, Bandit Nip on some Monkey, the Suzuki Bandit on this Wednesday evening or afternoonish. Quite warm, around about 30 degrees, and not too bad. It rained earlier, but we got a fair bit, but there's no rain expected at the moment, so I will take the long way home. Don't you, if you watch the news, of course, don't you get sick and tired of seeing whoever's in power, like your state premier or Buffett in Canberra, ScoMo, backstabbing ScoMo, and we got this little cheesy grinning little businessman failure of a premier here, with his little arrogant smile and all his little buffhead ministers standing behind him nodding and all this sort of garbage. And of course the media here is so right wing it's not funny. What I'm talking about there is the like Channel 10, Channel 7, Channel 9 is not so bad. SBS and ABC are pretty neutral. The most popular radio stations here, like your talkback radio, if you're not a one-eyed right winger, they don't like it. So they're all liberal as well. So, like I said, we got a election coming up in this state early next year, and they were supposed to announce a COVID plan for when the borders open and all that sort of thing, and they've decided not to release it to the public. Now, obviously it's a political stunt, because there's an election coming up, but I just really and honestly had a gutful of our Premier. If you think about it, I've said it before, we've been lucky in this pandemic because we're only a smallish state, and a state which hasn't got the population of the eastern states. We've been lucky in the pandemic. I have noticed that at the moment masks are mandated in the shopping centres, and I go there pretty much every day to the shopping centre, and the more and more of the people that go there, day by day, there's getting more and more that don't even wear a mask anymore. I do. I still might wear a mask, even though I hate it. I can't stand it. I still wear a mask. But there are those people that just won't wear it. And then you got the people that wear the mask under their nose, which does absolutely nothing to protect them from any viral load that could be in the air. does them no good whatsoever, but they insist on wearing it below their nose, so they might as well just take it off. And then you got the people actually wearing it under their chin, not even over their mouth. Now what's the point of that? So I don't know, it's just ridiculous. And there's been advertising and stuff like that that says that if you got it below your nose, there's no protection. So people just don't care, and we're very lucky. And once the borders open, they're saying that the COVID-19 Delta variant will definitely come into the state with people coming in. So, if you're not vaccinated, you could get a very harsh dose of this COVID-19 Delta variant if you haven't been vaccinated. I have, by the way, and I'm proud of it that I've been vaccinated. And to be quite honest, I don't give a rat's toss bag if they injected me with a microchip, and I know they didn't, because that's just utter rubbish. Now, what do we got up here? Oh, I've got an ambulance or a fire truck or something coming up this way. So yeah, I just hope that people who aren't vaccinated don't get it, and one, give it to other people, and two, don't get a serious disease from it. So yeah, something going on. The ambulance is there and the traffic is slowing down. I'm not sure which side of the road it is, but we'll find out, won't we? There's a fire truck there too. So there's been some kind of an accident in the last half an hour, for sure. Oh, a little bubba there too. Hope the bubba's alright. Yeah. Don't want to see little kids get hurt, that's for sure. Someone didn't give way, and let's hope that everyone is A-OK. Can't really see what happened, but I think everyone's alright, which is great news. So yeah, I just hope the people that aren't vaxxed don't get a harsh reaction to the COVID if they get it. And if I get it, I certainly hope the vaccine works. So anyway, that's what's happening at the moment. There's things changing, there's borders opening up, so I know they've got to do something, I realise that, because you just can't go on having borders closed and all that sort of garbage. So anyway, this is Bandit Neb on Samoki, the Suzuki Bandit, on this quite pleasant Wednesday evening, bidding you all very, very, very safe riding, and until next time, cheers for now.